Welcome back, fellow Subs Express. Today, let's talk a little bit more about a Shopify store. If you have no customers, well, today I'm going to be showing you how to get started with Google Ads. Still the fastest way to get your products in front of the buyers. So let's see how we can get started. The first thing is to talk about the Google and the YouTube applications. You need to stop trying to paste code manually. You want to install the official Google and YouTube application from the Shopify App Store. To do this process, what you need to do is really simple. The first thing to do is to focus directly into the left section that says applications. Here I'm going to type the word Google. Directly here into the Google, you have the free plan available that you can download, once again totally for free. Just make sure that the developer is totally for free and the rating has more than 4 stars. The reason why is because there's a lot of applications here into the Shopify store, and there's a lot that are not verified yet, so you want to make sure that you are not downloading the wrong application. Once you hit into install the application, what you need to do is to launch and perform the campaign. So here I wanted to link to my Google account. To link my Google account, I'm going to hit the option that says connect the Google account really easily. I select my Gmail account, the same that I'm using for this specific process. So I select my account, I grant the access between all of these elements, hit for select all, hit for continue, and we're good to go. The next thing to do, of course, is to now connect your Google Merchant Center. The Google Merchant Center will sync your product data. You can turn product sync off if you recommend the store to the setup. You can create, for example, one at a time. But first, what I'm going to be doing here is to hit into the option that says create new, because we don't have a Google Merchant Center account. So once again, with the same account that I'm going to be using for this process, I'm going to do this process with the same account, and just like that, my Google Merchant Center will be generated right away. As you can see, this will be giving you a specific code that we can be using for this specific account. So once we have done this process, going to be asking us now to check my online store requirements. Now, directly into the few requirements, there are a few elements that you might need to take in mind before you want to get started, of course, with the Shopify elements. So, for example, such as adding a valid payment method, creating an online store, add a refund policy for the terms and services, confirm that you have added a contact information to see online, and so on and on. Once you have successfully done all of this process, what you can do now is to complete your setup directly with the sell your products into the YouTube channel, and you complete your setup. Now, just in case you have any issues directly here for the section of the Shopify, the other solution that I can give you is to go straight directly into Google Ads. So the Google Ads is a place where you can start making some campaigns. And of course, you don't need to take a lot. What you just need to do is to sign in with the same Gmail account that you already have access to. Select a Google Ad account, the one that we have generated so far, and what you can do is to go directly into the option that says create. Let's say that I'm going to be starting with my first campaign. Now, into my campaigns, let's say that I'm going to be getting started here. And here, usually it might be asking you to enter the information about your website. For example, here, what I'm going to be doing here is to choose this specific address. I'm going to show them my website, and I'm going to start with my actual campaign. So I'm going to skip this part for now. And here into my actual goals, what you can do is to select, for example, what are your custom goals. So when you create your first campaign, what you want to do, your goals, specifically speaking about the Shopify, what you can do is to focus into, for example, purchase. Someone buys a product, subscription, or service. So here I have the shopify.com. You enter the URL and you hit for the option that says continue. In my case, I think I'm going to stick around with all of this. You can skip this process if you wanted to. But basically what you want to do now is to get started configuring your actual campaign's assets. So when you generate your first campaign into Google Ads, usually what I do is to make sure that I have a few products already been available into Shopify and my asset collection. Let me explain a little bit more. So when I wanted to generate my first asset, for example, I do needed to have an actual video or let's say an image of what I'm actually selling. So here what I can do is, for example, use this specific asset to show as an actual ad, and I can be providing that information directly inside my Google Ads. So choose the right Shopify product that you're going to be using for your first campaign. In my case, I wanted to make this suggested for a search in front of high intent customers at the right time. You can do for videos that appears into YouTube. In my case, I'm going to stick around with that version. Hit for the option that says next, and here what's going to happen is going to be asking you how would you like to connect your information, selecting your specific keywords. For example, here's my final URL. You can enter keywords such as the terms of people are searching for. You can go for the locations, the language, the audience, networks, and so much more. When you hit for next, there's something else. For example, create a bid strategy, select the budget you're going to be willing to use, and you can add your asset right away. So with this information, your ad will be generated right away. The campaign will be generated in here into your Google Ads account. Here into the right section, you can see the preview of how it's going to be looking your actual campaign when you send people directly here to Shopify. If you wanted to see more information about your Google ad, this specific Google ad, what you need to do is to focus directly into your account. And when you are directly into the Google Ads, what you wanted to do, of course, is to make sure that you can check out all the analytics and all the information about the campaign that you have just generated. All of this information can be saved to tons if you make the process of installing the Google and the YouTube account, and it's going to be appearing directly right in here. Now, there is just, this is the best way of how that, a really basic way of how you can actually get started with the Google Ads. But if you want us to, let's say, be specific into how to get started with a specific ad directly from the Shopify, you can let us know in the comments below. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, guys. If you want to see more great tools how you can get started with this element. This is just like a really broad way of how you can get started with Google Ads only for the Shopify. So thank you once again for watching, guys. Hopefully we can all see you next time.